Numbers in the battle against the coronavirus. 1 in 1,000 Americans has now died from COVID-19. That's based on data from the U.S. Census Bureau and Johns Hopkins University. But the race to vaccinate Americans is well underway. The CDC says doctors already administered nearly 2 million doses. Here in Massachusetts, health officials reported more than 7,400 new cases today. Now, because of the Christmas holiday, this combines the number of cases from both Thursday and Friday. Leaders, they of course want to slow the spread ahead of a potential post-holiday surge and new restrictions now taking effect. There will be no New Year rush packing gyms this year. Massachusetts further rolling back its reopening plan on Saturday, limiting fitness centers and health clubs to 25% capacity.
It's pretty tough to hear that capacity is going to be limited further beyond what we've been operating at lately, especially knowing that all the safety protocols and measures we put into place have been working.
Gyms not the only ones affected. Restaurants, retail shops, office spaces, and places of worship also among the industries that must limit crowds. Governor Charlie Baker taking action to slow the spread of the coronavirus that he says could otherwise overrun the healthcare system.
If we can all agree to do the things that slow the spread over the next 2 weeks, it will help us work on building the bridge we all need to build to the vaccine.
The capacity limits do not include workers and staff, but will likely cut into revenue. Government officials say plans are in the works to help those affected.
The hope is to deliver funding that meets this moment, is tailored to our local needs, and that complements recent federal action.
For months, Jeff Butterworth's gym limited capacity while also spending thousands on air filtration systems and cleaning supplies to make his facility as safe as it can be. He says being forced to see even fewer clients is tough to hear.
The hardest thing for us has been that we feel our safety protocols have been so solid that this is something that we haven't even seen a little bit of a spread here. What we would really love is the opportunity for our model to be a role model for other indoor businesses.
State leaders say this plan's goal is to prevent a spike in cases following the holidays, with the limits lasting at least a few weeks.
Business growth is not a thing. We're just hoping to hold on until most of this is behind us and we can start building our roster back up again.
Now, to help take the strain off of hospitals, all inpatient non-essential surgeries are also being canceled.
And more